Hello all, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss about bitwise shift left, shift right and unsigned shift right operator. So we will discuss about the operator, that is you can say bitwise shift operators. So let me just first list down, that is shift left, shift right, and there is one more operator, that is you can say shift, that is unsigned shift right operator. So how to calculate the shift left and shift right? It is very simple. First you need to calculate the binary of the decimal. For example, if my number 1 is equal to and the value is, for example, 39. Now I need to calculate the binary of this 39. So first just write down the power of 2, that is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. Now calculate the binary of the same. So it is very simple. You can put 1 over here, that is 32. Then if you add 8, then it will be 40. So you can put 0. 32 plus 4, it will be 36. Plus 2, it will be 38. Plus 1, it will be 39. So binary of 39 is 100011112. Now I want to calculate, that is number 1, shift left 2. So whenever you want to do the shift left 2, what we need to do? Very simple. You just need to add the number of bits. That is, for example, if you want to add the 2, if you want to move the shift left 2, then just add the 0 bits at the last. So what will be the result? Very simple. You can write here, this is your number, that is 1001111. Now I want to shift left 2. So it means just write down the 20 at the last. Now recalculate the number. So just to provide power of 2, that is 1, 2, 4. This is 8. This is 16. This is 32, 64, and this is 128. Now calculate all those which has the value 1. It means 128 plus 16 plus 8 plus 4. So 128 plus 16, it will be 144, plus 4, it will be 148, plus 8, it will be 156. So number 1 shift left 2 is equal to 156. I want to print this and I want to check, is it 156? So you can check in a Java program. So this is my Java program. I'm just declaring here integer number 1 is equal to 39. Now I'm just writing here system.out.println, and you can write number 1 shift left 2. So you can just save this program and you can compile over here. So you can compile here Java C shift demo.java, and you can check your output, that is shift Java shift demo. So it says that it is 156. It means what I did? It means very simple. You suppose if you want to shift 2, then you just need to add the 2 digit, that is 20 at the last. Suppose if you want to shift 1, then add 10 at the last. Suppose if you want to shift 3, then add 30 at the last, and then calculate the binary to decimal, that is the power of 2. In short, whenever you find 1, just count that, that is 4 plus 8, it will be 12, plus 16, it will be 28, and 28 plus 128, it will be 156. Now I want to calculate, that is the number 1 shift right. So for example, I have the same number, that is 39. Now I want to calculate, that is number 1 shift right, for example 2. So whenever you want to shift right, it is very simple. Just write down the binary of the same. For example, 1001111. Now I want to shift right. Simply discard the last 2. So it will be shift right. So whenever you write like this, now you can write your number again, that is 1001. Now write down the decimal, and that is binary to decimal. It means 1, 2, 4 and 8. It means 8 plus 1, it will be 9. So number 1 shift right 2, the result will be 9. So whenever you want to shift left, just add the number of time you want to shift. For example, I want to shift 3, then write down 30 at the last. Suppose if you want to shift right, then simply discard the last 2 and then recalculate the binary to decimal and you will get the output. Suppose if you want to shift right 3, just discard last 3 and then calculate. So suppose if your number is 39 and if you are shifting right 3, then the result will be 4. And if you are writing shift right 2, then the result will be 9. Let me show the same thing practically. So here you can just write, that is number 1, shift right 2. So if it is a shift right 2, then the result will be 9. So here you can check the shift right 2 is 9 and shift left is 156. There is one more operator and that is unsigned shift right. For example, suppose if my number is, and that number is, that is number 2 is equal to -1. If my number is -1, then what is the binary of this -1? So here you can just print the binary of this -1. For example, integer dot to binary string. Now here you can just print that is number 2. So binary of -1 is all bit 1. So you can just write here, that is, you can just compile this and you will get the idea that 32 times, it means 32 bit is 1 over here in the integer dot to binary string. So suppose if your number is -1, then all bit are 1. Now suppose if you want to shift right, suppose if I am writing that shift right 2 of this number 2. So suppose if I'm copying this and if I'm pasting here and I want to shift right 2 bit and that is the number 2. So if you shift right 2, then the result will be the same thing, that is your -1. Why? Because it will simply give the same bit, that is 1. It means that the higher bit are replaced with the 1 if your number is, that is, negative. So what to do in this particular case? Suppose if you want to shift the unsigned shift right, then you can take here, that is, for example, if you want to print this, you can take over here, that is unsigned shift right. So whenever you write unsigned shift right, then your result will be changed. And here you will get the idea, the result is there. But I want to print this, so you can get the idea. So suppose if I am printing here, that is integer dot to binary string number 2, I am just shifting right 2. And now I'm just copying the same thing and I'm just using the unsigned shift right 2. Now you will get the idea that whenever you compile this particular program, this is the same result. It means shift right will higher bit replaced with the 1, but because it is a -1, it is a negative number. But here you can see that the first 2 bit is simply replaced with the 0. Why? Because it is a unsigned shift right. So let me show the same thing in the paper, how unsigned shift right will work. So it is very simple. For example, if my number is equal to, and that the value is, for example, -1. If my number is equal to -1, then the binary of this -1 will be what? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It means 32 times it will be 1 if it is a number is equal to -1. Now if you are writing here, that is a number shift right, for example, I want to make the shift right 30. So if you want to make the shift right 30, then all this bit will be replaced with the 0. Your higher bit will be 0. This all will be 0. It means 8 plus 8, 16 plus 8, 24 plus 6. It means 30 bit. So you can say 8 bit. This 8 bit replaced with the 0, 0, 0, 0. Right. So all this 8 bit will be 0. This 8 bit will be 0. This 8 bit will be 0. This 6 bit will be 0. So value will be 1 and 2. So if you write number shift right shift unsigned number, unsigned shift right 30, then the result will be that is 3. Suppose if you write number unsigned shift right, for example 28, then what happened? 8 plus 8 plus 8, 24 plus 4, it will be 28. So result will be that is 15. Why? Because there are 4 bit will be there. So this 4 bit 1, 2, 4, 8. So result will be 15. Suppose if you write number shift right, and if you write here that is a shift right, for example 26. So if you write here that is 8 plus 8 plus 8, it will be 24 plus 2, it will be that is 26. So 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. So the result will be, if you write shift right 26, then the result will be that is 63. So you can just check is it perfect or not. So here you can just write that is integer, for example number is equal to -1. Now I'm writing here that is system.out.println, and I'm writing here number shift unsigned shift right, that is 30 bit. Here you can just copy this and you can write unsigned shift right, that is 28 bit, unsigned shift right 26 bit, and the output should be 315 and 63. So you can compile this program and you can check, and you can check over here the result is 3, 15 and 63, the same thing that I calculated on the paper. So that's it from my side. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.